Hi friends, welcome back. Now let us see how FM can be demodulated using the phase locked loop, a special circuit which has a feedback, and in the feedback there is a voltage controlled oscillator which is equivalent to FM generator. The logic in demodulating FM using PLL is in the feedback path we have voltage controlled oscillator. This is used to create a FM signal, and this FM signal generated is compared with the input, and the difference between the generated FM and the input FM is used as a feedback and used to reduce the difference between them. And once the generated FM starts following the input FM, then the signal which is responsible to generate the FM which we are generating is itself the demodulated signal which is of interest. So the logic is easily understood through this figure. So we have here FM input. This FM input is compared, and then a low pass filter is used, and this output is used to generate FM using something called voltage controlled oscillator, and these two are compared. So here the comparison is comparing the two phases, and the concept of this loop is to make sure that the two input and this feedback are in phase all the time. If there is any phase difference, then appropriate voltage is developed here, which changes the frequency, and hence the phase between the two gets modified. And when the whole thing is locked, that means when the phase difference between the two is zero, the situation we call is locked. Now, what is it happening is here we have FM input, and here we are generating uh, FM and trying to compare the two. And this loop is trying to ensure that these two are always in phase. That means if it has to be in phase, then whatever variation you find here, the same variation should also be here. And to generate this, we need some input, and this input is generating FM, and that indirectly say that the voltage whatever we have here will be our modulating input. So whatever modulating input was there which used to generate FM, the same modulating input is being used to generate another FM, and they are always equal in phase. That means they are always same, which means this should be similar to the one which was used to generate this FM. So that's a simple way of demodulating the FM signal. Here we are making use of a very important concept called phase lock loop. More details about phase lock loops in the coming sessions. So as of now, this is where it has an application in demodulating FM signals. So that's it for now. More sessions to follow. Till then, take care. See you. Bye.